A computer power cord supplies stable electricity, ensuring safe, continuous, and reliable computer operation. And today's video is about top 5 best computer power cord that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Amazon Basics Computer Power Cord. This universal 12-foot replacement power cord is a simple yet highly reliable solution for powering a wide range of devices. With its 18 AWG wire and NEMA 5-15P to IEC 320C13 connector, it is compatible with most PCs, monitors, printers, and other standard electronics, making it a versatile addition to any workspace or home setup. The 12-foot length is especially useful, providing extra reach and flexibility for setups where power outlets are not close by. This helps reduce strain on cables and allows for better cable management in larger desks or office environments. The 3-pin design ensures a secure and stable connection, while the UL certification adds an extra layer of safety and trust in its performance. It feels durable and well-built, suitable for everyday use without worrying about overheating or power issues. Overall, this power cord is practical, safe, and versatile, making it an excellent replacement or backup option for multiple electronic devices. Now our second product is Vockjour Computer Power Cord. This 5 feet 3-prong replacement AC power cord is a reliable and practical solution for powering a wide range of electronic devices. Featuring a NEMA 5-15P to C13 connection, 18 AWG wire, and 10/125V rating, it ensures stable and consistent power delivery for everyday use. Its wide compatibility makes it suitable for PCs, TVs, monitors, printers, gaming consoles, and popular brands like HP, Dell, Lenovo, Samsung, LG, and more. This versatility makes it a convenient replacement or backup cable for both home and office setups. Built with 100% pure copper wiring and a flexible PVC jacket, the cord offers excellent conductivity, reduced power loss, and long-lasting durability. The ETL listing further confirms its safety, performance, and compliance with industry standards, giving added peace of mind during use. With its plug-and-play design, setup is quick and hassle-free. Overall, this power cord delivers strong performance, safety, and broad compatibility, making it a dependable choice for powering multiple devices efficiently. Our third product is Eokoowo Computer Power Cord. This 65W HP laptop charger is a reliable and practical replacement power adapter designed for a wide range of HP laptops. With an input range of AC 100-240V and an output of 19.5V or 3.33A, it delivers stable and efficient charging performance, and it is also compatible with 45W models, making it versatile for different power needs. The 4.5mm x 3.0mm blue tip connector ensures a secure fit with many HP laptops, including Pavilion, EliteBook, ProBook, Envy, Stream, Chromebook, and Spectre series. It also supports a large list of compatible part numbers, which makes it easy to find a suitable replacement for your original adapter. In terms of build quality, the adapter feels dependable and designed for daily use. The included power cord adds convenience, making it ready to use right out of the box. Overall, this charger is a solid choice for users looking for a safe, compatible, and efficient replacement power solution for their HP laptops. Now number 4, Ulapithi Computer Power Cord. This 6-foot universal AC power cord is a reliable and versatile solution for powering a wide range of electronic devices. With its 18 AWG construction and NEMA 5-15P to IEC 320C13 design, it is compatible with computers, monitors, TVs, printers, gaming consoles like GameCube, and various audio equipment, making it highly practical for both home and office use. One of its key strengths is its wide application across different environments, including home offices, commercial setups, data centers, and entertainment systems. The inclusion of an anti-interference magnetic ring helps stabilize current and voltage, ensuring safer and more consistent performance. Built with a heavier gauge yet flexible design, this power cord offers improved durability compared to standard cables. The fully molded strain relief connectors add extra strength, reducing wear and extending lifespan. Overall, this power cord delivers strong compatibility, stable performance, and dependable build quality, making it a smart and long-lasting replacement or backup option for everyday power needs. And our last choice is Superer Computer Power Cord. This 65W Lenovo compatible laptop charger is a reliable and well-built replacement power adapter designed for everyday use. It delivers stable output of 20V/3.25A and is also compatible with 45W, 20V/2.25A devices, making it a versatile option for a wide range of Lenovo laptops including IdeaPad, Yoga, Flex, mics, and Chromebook series. One of its strongest points is its safety-focused design. Built to meet recognized electronic safety standards, it ensures stable performance with protection for your device during charging. The universal 100/240V input also makes it suitable for travel and international use. The foldable plug is a thoughtful feature, helping save space and preventing scratches when stored or carried. A charging indicator adds extra convenience by clearly showing power status. Overall, this charger offers solid compatibility, dependable performance, and strong safety assurance. With a 24-month warranty included, it provides good peace of mind for anyone needing a durable Lenovo laptop power replacement. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.